Question, are you spending a ton of money on teeth whitening? Do you want whiter teeth but you hate the idea of spending money on strips, dentists, procedures, and all these different things just to have those pearly whites? Are you tired of bleaches and harsh chemicals that are extremely harmful for your teeth? Does a cheap, all-natural, and immediate result option sound amazing to you? I have just what you're looking for. The best part about it is you probably have all the ingredients in your pantry right underneath your nose and you just didn't know. The key ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is astringent, anti-inflammatory, and abrasive, so it will clean, whiten, and polish your teeth. Turmeric's great to sit there and put on your food for cooking. It's great for inflammation. It has tons of health benefits, and it's great to sit there and whiten your teeth. Wow! Alright, turmeric alone is great, but if you want to sit there and take it up a notch and get those immediate results like we talked about, you want to add some coconut oil, you want to add some baking soda. I like to use Bob Red Mill's baking soda. It's a pure baking soda that doesn't have all the extra garbage in it. And then also turmeric. You're going to take these three ingredients, put them in a little bowl, mix them up with a little bit of water, and then before you know it, you'll have like a paste-like substance, just like toothpaste, and you'll sit there and you'll start brushing away. So you probably want to brush for about 5 straight minutes, and after that, you'll start to notice almost immediate results when it comes to whiter teeth. I have 2 quick pro tips. First one is if you want to sit there and make it taste a little bit better, you can add some peppermint essential oils. Or secondly, is just make sure when you're brushing your teeth, you're not wearing your favorite shirt or near anything that you don't want to be stained, because turmeric can stain. Once again, it's all natural, it's cheap, and you will get almost instantaneous results with this. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share with a friend, comment in the comments below. I'd love to sit there and hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you'd like to sit there and receive up-to-date notifications as soon as these videos go live, please sit there and hit that bell button.